Welcome to this Windows and computer channel. Now, we did a video of why you should get the next version of Windows 10 when it comes out. Now, let's go to why you shouldn't get the next version and avoid getting the next version of Windows 10. So, in everything in life, there's positive and negative. There's a lot of reasons why people might want to stay away from the next version of Windows 10. And that are totally valid. My first reason that I would give for staying away is the risk. It's a big install. I mean, it's a full install of Windows that will happen within your machine. And technically, you shouldn't be losing anything. Everything should be still working fine after. There's always a very small subset of people that have problems. And that could be one of the reasons. You're scared of going there. You're wondering if it could break something. Maybe you need your PC right now and it's not time to do that. Well, that's one reason to stay away. Of course. You're one of those people that is working from home now and going to work from home for a little while. You know, they've actually extended the support of the October 2018 update for that particular reason. So that to avoid that you have to move on to a new version of Windows right now. Well, if you're working from home because of what's happening with COVID-19, well, maybe it's a good idea to avoid and not, upgrade right now when that is available. The other reasons, you might not just care about whatever new features and what's happening in the new version of Windows 10. That's totally valid also. Why, spend an hour, a few hours waiting for your PC to reboot and restart and have something that you'll never use its new features? Totally valid has a, reason why you shouldn't upgrade unless you have to, The other reason you might want to wait and not upgrade is wait for the background noise. Wait for the feedback of everybody if it's going well or not. Because that's one of the things a lot of people used as a trick. When there was a new version of Windows in the past, some people would wait 6 months, a year, before they actually would go into that new version of Windows. Why? Because, of course, all the big problems are always at the beginning. And what about if there's that thing they didn't detect here and that's creating tons of problems? Well, by waiting, you'll have these cumulative updates that will fix all the bugs. And, you'll be there eventually when that happens. And so these are valid reasons why you shouldn't upgrade to the next version of Windows 10 for now. You will be forced at some point because there's an 18-month cycle in Windows 10 versions. So at some point it will be forced on you. But, why not enjoy that ride? If you've just updated to the November 2019 update, why upgrade if you don't care about new features and whatever? Your PC runs fine. You got 18 months. You're going to get until, somewhere in 2021 before you really need to update. So why not just, stay there for a year and enjoy the ride of having a good working computer with whatever you're doing, and that's fine, and it's working fine, and everything is all right. So these are all valid reasons why you should not upgrade to the next version of Windows 10 right now. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.